Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental controls on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Then click on all services and now you have to find parental controls. And then click let's do this. Now click sign in. And here you have to enter your email address. Then click next. And now you have to enter your password. Then click I agree. Now click accept. And click on supervise. Then click next. And here you have to enter your parent email address. Then click next. And here you have to enter your parent password. And now you have to scroll all the way down and here you have to enter your child password again. Then click next. And click allow. Now I have to scroll down and click next. And then click done. And as you can see, my parental control is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.